Imagine a world where the entire supply base has an IATF style of certification to it. It's fully comprehensive, air-proofed data collection, the ability to continuously improve, world-class, costs, world-class capabilities. Why not? That's absolutely possible. All we need is solutions that can deploy rapidly, meet the needs of that factory, and don't carry along hundreds of other ancillaries they didn't need and didn't want, so that they can use it and be effective. That's what PICO brings to the table. We can deploy faster than anything that's ever been created before in the plant, less than a day to a fully connected station, right? And then it can move from there, however the factory or the OEM, the collaboration between the two, see fit. Often, step one is just deploying the technology so that this is not a high-risk situation anymore. Step two, what data exists? That's helpful for me if something goes wrong. I don't need it right now, but I needed to know that it existed. And then step three, wait a minute, you have a digital backbone. PICO has a connected supply chain offering. We can take that data and we can move it to the cloud, and then we can use it together to improve further. That's the vision of PICO in the connected supply chain, efficient supply chain, and a continuously improved supply chain.